Taking a look at Jasmy, we can see that Jasmy is continuing to bleed out over the last year and a half, which would suggest that as long as Jasmy is below the 236 retracement at 11 or 1.1 cents, the price is still considered bearish to the downside. If Jasmy is able to reclaim 1.2 cents, we would argue for a shorter time frame bottom and a larger rally up to 15. However, even then, failure to break over 15 would still signal that the price is bearish. Only getting over 15 could we argue for a macro low and a much larger rally to 2.5 cents, which would suggest that as long as Jasmy is below 11 or 15, another large move to the downside to fill this wick between 4 and 3 is entirely possible before we make a case for a potential bottom. So only getting over 1.1 cents can we argue that this lower price will not get hit. However, as long as we're below 11 or 15, these lower prices are still on the table at some point in time, in my opinion.